The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 2 command posts near Dvorechная in Kharkov region, Drobyshevo in Donetsk People's Republic. 39 artillery units at their firing positions, 127 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 6 munitions depots have been destroyed near Figalivka in Kharkov region, Verkhnekamenskoye, Solidar in Donetsk People's Republic, Novogrigorovka in Nikolaev region, Novopetrovka and Davidov Brod in Kherson region. 1 storage of fuel for Ukrainian military equipment has been destroyed near Nikolaev. Moreover, 1 post for the Ukrainian armament and equipment repair works has been destroyed near Berezhnegavatoye in Nikolaev region. Within the counter-battery warfare, 1 Ukrainian Smerch MLRS battery has been neutralized near Kazachya Lopan, as well as 1 US-manufactured M777 howitzer battery near Metallovka in Kharkov region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 9 unmanned aerial vehicles near Yagodnoye in Kharkov region, Pilipovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Novoselka, Valerianovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Shirokaya Balka, Sukhanovo, Tomarino, Patikatki and Ingulovka in Kherson region. 21 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Olha MLRS have been shot down near Vladimirovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Olgovka, Nikolaevka, Novaya Kakhovka, Vesoloye and Otrada Kamenka in Kherson region. Moreover, 2 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles have been intercepted near Antonovka in Kherson region. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,256 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,855 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 871 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,484 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,610 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.